Hi guys, I'm Sushmita from Miss Pink Shoes and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my October favorites. So unlike the previous month, September, this month was much better. I had a really nice month. Although my month felt really monotonous, like every single day it was the same routine all over again, but it was still a good month. Now I did try a lot of new products, but many of them couldn't make it to my favorites list because I didn't use them enough for them to be my favorites. Although I liked so many products this month, especially from my Nykaa haul. All the products are amazing. Like, I'm absolutely happy with every single product that I got. Only a few of them made it to this list. So yeah, let's get started. So my first favorite is the Colgate Plaques mouthwash. This is in the sensitive variant. Now I never really used to use a mouthwash before. I started using it only a few months back and I felt so much of a difference. My teeth always feels hygienic. I feel really fresh, and there are times when I eat stuff like onion and things that can make my mouth smell bad. So I just go wash my mouth with this and I feel so fresh. This is a great mouthwash, guys, but it is a little strong. It has that typical Colgate white toothpaste taste. So if you like that, then you're gonna love this, but it is a little strong. So be very careful when you're using this, but otherwise it's a great mouthwash. My second favorite is the La Roche-Posay Effaclar Purifying Foaming Gel. Now this is a face wash. I think I have mentioned this in one of my older favorites videos. So what happened is that I got this, I used it for like 2-3 weeks and I loved it, but I don't know why I just stopped using this and I started using other face washes, and I got back to using this month. It's actually empty, there's nothing left, and I'm still waiting for my new one to arrive. But this is an amazing face wash, guys. Now this is specifically for oily skin and I have dry skin, but it still worked so well for me. Although my face sometimes feels a little dry after using this, it's not an everyday thing, and I always moisturize my skin after I wash it, so it never really is a problem. I love this face wash, guys. It's very gentle, but at the same time it cleanses your skin really well. Even when I have some makeup on, I can use this and this will remove all my makeup, and it's just a great face wash. So now coming to my makeup favorites, the first one is the Maybelline Blush Nudes palette, which launched like I think 2 months back in India. Now this is a beautiful rose toned palette. Now it has a lot of rosy colors and at the same time a lot of taupey colors. So this is a really nice palette. I prefer this over the L'Oreal palette. I don't know what it's called, the nudes palette and the rose palette. I definitely prefer this over that because I find the pigmentation being much better here and the shade ranges being much better, and obviously this is much cheaper than the L'Oreal one. So I definitely prefer this, and I really like the shade range because it will work for Indian skin tones. Now there are a lot of pink eyeshadows and rose toned eyeshadows that don't really work for Indian skin tones, but this is the kind of rosy tones that will really work with Indian skin tones. Another eyeshadow palette that I've been loving this month is the Lakme 925 Quad in the shade Tango Rush. Now this has 4 shades, a purple, an olive green, golden and a maroonish burgundy-ish color. Now this is a really good palette because it will work amazingly with Indian skin tones. These eyeshadows are super pigmented and they really stay onto your eyes. Again, very easy to blend and they look great on the eyes. Now these colors are something that are a little bright, but at the same time very wearable, and that's why I've been using this so much this last month. My next favorite for the month is the Savannah Ultra Blush Palette. Now, although I broke this, the colors are beautiful, guys. I got this from Bangkok and I mentioned this in my Bangkok haul as well. But this is just a great palette, guys. I'll try finding this or an alternative to this in leaving it in the description box below. The blushes are super pigmented. They look amazing on the skin. They also have a highlighter and a bronzer. But the blushes are beautiful. Although the shades are a little similar to each other, I really love using them. And they work really well when I'm doing makeup for others. And this works amazing, guys. My next favorite is the eyeliner that I'm wearing right now. It's from Maybelline. It's called the Hyper Glossy Liquid Liner. Now this is in the shade Silver Chance. Now I tried out their black eyeliner in the same Hyper Glossy range and I hated it. Like, it's literally the worst eyeliner I've ever tried. And I realized that after I ordered this, so I thought, okay, let me just give this a try. And this is so amazing, guys. I've used this so many times. I applied this eyeliner in the morning and right now it's 9:30 in the night and it's still on like this. Like honestly guys, I'm not exaggerating, I haven't retouched it. I applied it at around 8:30 in the morning when I went to college, and it's been more than 12 hours and it stayed onto my eyes so well. No cracking, no budging, nothing. I had winged it in the morning, and while doing my base makeup I sort of removed it because that portion did crack a little, but on my eyes it just stayed on as it is, and I haven't retouched it, so you can see how long lasting this is. Now silver is a color that I was hesitant to buy, but it looks amazing and I absolutely love it. My next favorite is from Sugar Cosmetics. It's a Pout Time lipstick in the shade Breaking Bear. Now this is a beautiful everyday pink color, guys. I have been using this so much. I've worn it almost every single day since I got it, and this is how it looks like up close. So this is a perfect pink nude color, especially for the skin tone I have. This works perfectly for an everyday wear, and I love the formula, guys. It's so creamy and matte, and it stays on to my lips literally for the whole day, and I absolutely love this. My last favorites for the month are these earrings from Zahana.in. These are basically Trishuls hung together. I love the way this looks, guys. I wore this for Diwali and I did wear it the day I got it. I was going for some function and so many people asked me about this. Although I haven't worn it a lot, I do love it, and this is definitely one of my favorite purchases from this month. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, the link is down below. You can also follow me on my Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter for regular updates, and I'll see you in my next video on Friday. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.